speaking practice solution. So, for speaking practice, I recently started using an app called Mochi Kaiwa. I personally use this app for speaking practice. This app mainly focuses on conversation, pronunciation, and real life communication. And what I really liked is that it's very beginner friendly. If you don't know where to start, it guides you step by step. First, in the learn section, you will learn new vocabulary by speaking out loud with the built-in pronunciation checks, which helps you improve your speaking more effectively. You also get a practice short conversations based on what you have learned, so you know how to actually use it in real situation.
こんにちは。
こんにちは。こんにちは。
こんにちは。元気ですか？
こんにちは。元気ですか？
Right now, the app offers two courses covering a variety of everyday topic such as self-introduction, school and work, asking for direction. It's truly ideal for complete beginner. So you are not just learning a language, you are learning how to use it in a real situation or in a real life. This is especially helpful if you are planning to go to Japan and want to understand their culture and daily communication. It helps you slowly become a part of that environment. After learning the vocabulary, you can move to the practice section to review what you have learned through a variety of exercise. The app uses two proven methods, shadowing and active recall. Help you remember words more effectively. You will repeat after audio, complete filling the blanks exercise, and recall words based on their meanings. It keeps the learning process engaging, not repetitive or boring. If you are an intermediate learner with some foundation already, the role play feature is a great way to practice your reflexes. It simulates real life conversations and it really pushes you to think, respond, and speak on your own in real time. After each conversation, you will receive feedback across different areas so you know exactly what to improve.
こんにちは。はじめまして。まずはお名前を教えていただけますか？
こんにちは。私はアンビカです。
ミカさん、はじめまして。素敵な名前ですね。ミカさんはどこの国からいらっしゃったのですか？
私はインドから来ました。
インドから来られたの